How to turn off disappearing message on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, open the message from where you want to turn off disappearing message, and once opened, tap on their profile name on top. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and under the Privacy and Support tab, you will see the Disappearing Messages option. Tap on that and make sure the Off option is selected, and if you have selected the 24 hours option, then select the off option. When you select the off option, messages will not disappear after 24 hours. Also, when this feature is off, you will not be notified if the other individual takes a screenshot or a screen recording of the chat. So this is how you can turn off disappearing message on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.